Hey! Hello everybody! Welcome to a new video. I'm sorry for being a little MIA recently. I swear I'm not doing this on purpose, okay? But like, I'm just sick all the time in Bali for some weird reason. And I got sick again. And this time, I got an infection in my kidney. Yeah, so that was not a fun time for me. So I was kind of like unable to do literally anything at all. Oh my god, I do not know why this like keeps happening to me. I get like a random infection in my kidney. I had like insane food poisoning on my birthday. Like, I just wonder what else is gonna happen while I'm here. This is supposed to be a relaxing time. Someone help me. Anyways, I am back. I also, for some reason, have a dog right now. Yeah. There's a dog on my floor. Don't ask me why. He's just there. But anyways, yeah, that is not what the video is about, okay? Today, I'm going to do something that you guys have been requesting me to do for like honestly years now, and that is the curly girl methods. Honestly, you guys have been requesting for me to do this for so long, and I just never did it. Because first of all, I didn't really have hair for a long time. And also, it just seems complicated. It just seems difficult to do. But I have a feeling that my hair really wants to be curly lately. I don't know if you can see. I feel like she wants to be curly. So today, I'm going to try that. Okay. First up, let's find out what the curly girl method actually is. Honestly, the reason why I've never done it before is because I thought that you had to do it for like at least a month before you started seeing results. But I typed some keys on my keyboard and I found out that you can just do it like once and then it shows like if it works or not. So that's what I'm going to do today. So yeah, let me first just read what hairloss.com has to say about the curly girl method. What exactly is the curly girl method? The curly girl method is a unique approach to hair care and styling for natural curly hair. The curly girl method recommends using curly girl method approved products and certain styling techniques in order to improve hair health, accentuate curls, and reduce frizz. And curl expert Lorraine Messi introduced the world to the curly girl method in the early 2000s. The method has changed over the years to accommodate different curl patterns, but has retained a few key concepts. No poo or low poo cleansing products. No poo or low poo cleansing products. I don't know what that means, but we're gonna use no poo product in our hair. Using curly girl method products that are formulated without sulfates, silicones, waxes, or mineral oils. Detangling hair in the shower with the help of a conditioner. Scrunching hair with a curl activated product like a gel or curl cream. And using an old cotton t-shirt or bamboo towel to dry your hair rather than a traditional cotton towel. Wait, what's the difference between a cotton t-shirt and a cotton towel? Isn't it both like cotton? Oh, maybe because it's like rough. Probably. Okay, so basically, you just have to avoid certain products, use certain products, avoid certain styling ways, and do certain styling ways. And then how to do the curly girl method step by step. It's pretty easy as far as I've seen so far. There just are a couple of steps. They start with step 0, which is reset wash. It basically just means that you have to like take out all the products that like build up in your hair with like a clarifying shampoo. Then you gotta cleanse your hair, wash your hair with a co-wash conditioner or sulfate-free low poo shampoo. Step 2, condition and detangle. Next, apply a healthy amount of silicone-free conditioner to your curls. You want to make sure that you saturate your hair with conditioner. It should feel slimy. Then gently detangle your curls with your fingers. Finally, rinse most, but not all, of the conditioner from your hair. Now that your hair is detangled and clean, it's time to apply your curl activator. Rig the product through your damp hair or smooth it over curls, and then scrunch your hair to define your curls. Step 4. Plop. Wrap hair in an old cotton t-shirt using the plop method. Flip your hair upside down and wrap your hair towel around the base of your head, tie in front, and then flip over to plop your curls. Okay, that doesn't seem that hard. Also, it is a little confusing. But let me just wash my hair. Oh, let me just show you what my hair actually looks like. Some of you might be looking at my hair and saying like, girl, what are you talking about? You don't have curls. And then I say, I don't know actually. I actually don't know. Look, the thing is, I know my hair is like super dead and it's fried and it looks terrible, right? So it just looks frizzy all the time. But recently, ever since I started to have like longer hair again, because you know, I shaved it like an idiot. My hair I feel like she wants to curl. I feel like she really, really, really wants to curl. You can definitely see it's not straight, okay? We can at least agree on that. It's not straight, it's very wavy, but if I feel like it's starting to curl. Like it definitely, you know, it definitely does like, it definitely wants to like twirl a little bit. But yeah, we're just gonna reset my hair, cleanse my hair, condition my hair, and plop my hair, and then see if I get curlies or not. That'll be cute though. Or at least I'm gonna hope it's gonna make my hair look a little bit healthier, because it's down bad right now. Okay, let's go. Yo, welcome to my shower. Excuse the chicken in the background. Oh my god. Anyways, first step is my reset. I'm just using Head and Shoulders for that, because I feel like, I don't know if this is the right product, but this is definitely like a clarifying shampoo. I'm gonna try to use water that's not too hot, which is annoying because I actually only do hot showers. But yeah, let's wash my hair. Also, I feel like I might be the only person in the world who does not like rain showers. Like, honestly, they're so annoying to me. Like, I just want to have like a normal shower head. Anyways, that's not what this is about. Oh. Step 0 is completed. My hair has been reset, I think. I don't know. So, I'm not gonna do the cleansing thing. I don't know if it's like really bad, but I don't have any cleansing products. Because honestly, it's like very hard to find curly girl appropriate like products here in Bali. So I couldn't really find a good shampoo, but it's fine. I don't even use shampoo every time I shower. I'm now gonna go in with the conditioner. Big old jar. This is the only one I could find that did not have any sulfates in it. It does have some other shit in it though, but we're just gonna pretend like it's the right product. Oh god. Oh, my hair feels so gross. Brush my hands through my hair to detangle it. Oh, there's so much hair going out of my head. Oh my god. I thought I already had to style my hair now, but that actually comes after the rinse. So I'm gonna rinse this out. But try to leave a little bit of the conditioner in there still. Oh, that's actually just so nice. What the hell? Okay. My hair is clean and moisturized, conditioned. Now it's time to style. It's still wet because that is what it's supposed to be. And now we're gonna take some of our styling products, which this is just gel. Gonna rub it in my hands, and then you gotta like plop it in your hair. Plop, plop. So that's what we're gonna do. And then just like, gotta make sure I have my middle part in the hollow. Do I have curly hair? Is my hair curly now? It's so wet still, oh my god. And then we're gonna take our cotton t-shirt and just dry my hair with it, I guess. And we just do it like this. In the article, they said that you have to like put your hair up, like wrap it in the towel and then let it dry. But how the hell is my hair gonna dry like that? Like just air drying it takes like 4 hours. So I'm just gonna squeeze it like this for a little bit to get like most of the water out. And the rest I think I'm just gonna let air dry. Also, that looks kind of crazy. Wait, what? Wait. That looks like it actually does something. Can you see that? Oh, do I have curls? Is it true? No. I think I'm just gonna plop for a little bit longer. And then I'm just gonna let it air dry. They say you can also use a diffuser, but I don't have a diffuser over here. So unfortunately, I just have to let it air dry. But luckily, it's like 30 degrees outside right now. So I guess it's gonna take like 3 hours instead of 4. Hey, ready? My hair isn't dry yet, but I thought let's do a little update. It's been about, I would say, an hour and a half now since I did the stuff to my hair. And look at it. It actually looks really curly. Like, I have never seen my hair like this. I'm not kidding. Like, the curls shot all the way up from the top too. I wonder how the back is looking, because the back is like a lot heavier, less layers. So I don't know if the back is curly too. But isn't that crazy? What the fuck? That's actually insane. It definitely is doing a little thing right now. What? Look at my hair. Look at my hair. That is crazy. That is insane. My hair has never ever looked like this before. What the hell? Look. This side looks worse. This side definitely looks better. But look at it. You know, I feel like you can definitely count these as curls, right? Like, that is crazy. The difference is insane. Like, I literally have curly hair right now. And I know they're not like the curliest girls in the world, but these are definitely girls, right? Because they go around like this, like a little water slide. Whee! And all I had to do was basically just like squish my hair to get this. Girl. I have to say though, it definitely curls way more at the front, because my hair is like layered here. On the back of my head, it's not even remotely curly. It's just wavy, but I can show you. Anyways, this was today's video. I'm very pleased with the end result. Let me know what you think of it. Do you see this as curls, or do you think it's just waves. I don't know, I feel like a lot of people are like very intense about what are girls and what are not. Also, if you want me to do like any other experiments with my hair, let me know in the comment section down below and I can try them out. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching this video and I hope to see you in my next video. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao, ciao. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao.